Hi, here is the demo of the zkGATE. So as you can see here, this is the list of different data breaches which has happened in the past, risking users' private data at stake. And this list goes on and on. While logging into any app, when we click on sign in with Google, the third-party app has all the access to our personal data which Google has in its database. Even though the app might strictly require only a few information fields like email, location, etc., it can save all the other information fields in its own database which is given by it to Google. So here comes a new login solution, zkGATE. Here is how zkGATE differs with other login protocols. Unlike other login mechanism in the app which saves unnecessary private information, zkGATE passes only the relevant data field that is required by the app, and the rest it encrypts as proof and mints an NFT with the proof written in the NFT's metadata. Now, the power of this NFT is that if a user wants to give the access of its account to some other user, then instead of sharing its user ID and password, he can simply transfer the ownership of its NFT for a particular time's duration to the user, and thus the user can access the account of the owner. Yeah. So as the third-party app integrates zkGATE, it generates a secret key to zkGATE, and the zkGATE securely saves this secret key. The public key is the hash of the secret and is accessible by all. So when a user wants to sign up for a third-party app, then since he is a new user, he is redirected to the zkGATE app to mint the zkGATE NFT for getting the access. On the zkGATE page, he connects his wallet, and then to authorize that the user is a genuine person, he needs to authorize through Google, and in response Google sends the user's personal identification data to zkGATE like name, email, location, profile pic, etc. This step is necessary as this gives a sense of Google's trust to the third-party app that the user who is creating the account is a genuine one. Now zkGATE sends only that data which is required by the app to let the app create account in its database, and generates a proof with the app's secret key and user's personal information. This proof is written in NFT's metadata, and the NFT is minted to the user's wallet address. Now the user can go to the third party app, and as soon as he connects his wallet to login, it is fetched that whether the user has a zkGATE NFT or not, and if it has the NFT, whether the proof is valid or not. If both satisfies, then only the user is granted the access. Otherwise, the access is denied. So in order to showcase the zkGATE demo, we have integrated zkGATE in a third-party app named as Learn, developed by us to showcase the login mechanism. Here, as we connect the wallet, it says access denied because the user does not have an NFT to login. So now we go here in the zkGATE page, and then we'll try to mint the NFT. We'll connect our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and we'll choose account 3. So account 3 is chosen. We'll go and connect the wallet. So here it pops up. Now the user will authenticate with its Google account, telling that he is a genuine user and he has a Google account. In response, Google will share all of the information which the Google has it in its database. zkGATE will only send the required information from all of this to create a user information into the Learn app database, and will create a zero knowledge proof out of the entire personal information and the Learn app secret key. Here is the encrypted proof, as you can see. Yeah, so here is the encrypted proof, as you can see, and in a time being the MetaMask pops up for minting the NFT on the Patex blockchain network. So here we confirm the transaction. Now as the transaction keeps on going, here it says the NFT is generated successfully. So it means that NFT mint has been completed. Now if we click here and again log in into the Learn app, so here you see that earlier we were denied the access, but now this time it successfully logs in because the app goes and fetches in the blockchain, that in the chain on chain, like whether the NFT is present or not, and if the NFT is present, whatever proof which is written there is a valid proof or not. If the proof is valid, then only the access is granted. So yeah, this is the demo, and it is a very grateful addition in the Patex network. Here you can see that the transaction has happened, which is the minting transaction. If we go into the transaction hash, so here is the token ID with token ID 3, which has been minted, and it has been provided to this address, which is 0xA43. And for confirmation, here if we go to our account 3, so here you can see this is the address 0xA43. Yeah, so that is it. And here also you can see that the main function was called. Yeah, thank you for the demo.